Hi YouTubers, this is the final part of my aerial and I've got it attached and I'm going to do some final testing, and I've got a few issues, bad design, and one is here. With this blowing in the wind it could crack the plastic across there, so I'm going to put some bits of plastic in there to give it a bit more rigidity, if that's the right word. And going to be tuning it now, firstly for the 2 meter band and then the 77s, but it's a bit windy so I'm hoping it's not going to blow over, and I'm hoping I'm far enough from buildings to affect the SWR. I've got the aerial mounted in the vertical position at the moment. We can see that it's only at my head height. I'll higher it up in a minute. And the SWR is pretty good, and I'll do a screenshot of that, and that's what it looks like. This is 151/100 with an SWR at 1.012. Okay, the SWR at 100 and let's go up to there at 149.9. it's 1.4 to 1. Go down the other way at the band, and at 140 megs it's 1.45 to 1. Can you see that? There's a light reflected, that's better. I'll put it in the middle again. That's roughly 1.5, slap bang in the middle, that is. And I'll do a screenshot of that and include it into the video. This screen capture is vertically polarized, and it's looking pretty good. I'm just going to change it to horizontal, and then I'll raise it up as well to see if it makes. I'll raise it up first if it makes any difference to the SWR. No change to the SWR at the full height. I'm going to have to bring it down because of the wind actually. Right, let me drop it down. What I'm going to do is loosen that one. I'll slide it. Loosen this one and slide it. So that's brought it down now in height. Okay, let me change it over to the horizontal polarized position. Okay, it's now in its horizontal position there. And I'm about 15 feet from the brick wall. It has altered it slightly. Let's have a look. Yeah, the SWR is in the center 1.182. it's gone up a little bit at 150 megs, and slightly at the bottom end in the horizontal position. I'm going to just twist it just to see if it's the buildings that are affecting the turn it that way around, see if that makes any difference. Yeah, not a lot. I'll do a screen capture on that. So it's horizontally polarized with it raised up or slightly to the ground. It's got a nice, really sharp trough here. It's from 140 to 150 meg, and that's in the middle. It's about 1.132. So I'll do a screen capture of that as well. Now I'm running on the 70 centimeter band, and I'm doing 430 to to 440. I think that's what the band is. Let's just check my notes. 430 to 440. So 435 is in the middle. And 434 600. Let me just go to 435. 435 is 1.07 is the SWR. Now I'll go down the band to, where am I? 430 900 is 1.7, which is quite high, I think. And if we go to the 4, right, I'm at 438 is 1.6 to 1, so it's very sharp, and that's in the vertical position, and I'll do a screen capture on that and add it to the video. Okay, I've just been in and had a coffee because it's blooming cold out here. Temperature's about 10, but or 9. Anyway, I've done the tests on vertical, so now I need to do the tests on horizontal on the 77 band. With the horizontal position, it's about the same to the vertical, so it looks like I've got it about right. And I'll do a screen capture on my phone of what the SWR is. I don't think I can get it any better than that. When you get up on the 77s and the high frequency band, you get quite a dip like that, and it's very narrow, a bit in the middle, but it's usable for what I want, so that's pretty good. Last part of the video regarding this aerial, I've reinforced the bits there and there with a coil, put some plastic in, and that's to stop that sort of twisting action. And I've put some heat shrink on the end of the adjusters, because I found now I've set it up, it doesn't matter whether it's vertically, horizontal, and the height above the ground, it doesn't affect the SWR. The other thing is, when you're doing the SWR, you do the lowest frequency first, which is obviously the 2 meter band, and then when you're happy with the SWR on that, you SWR the 70 centimeter band, and it doesn't affect, or it didn't seem to affect the 2 meter. Now I'll just go through the dimensions. The radials for the 2 meter band, these are 47 centimeters long each one when they're tuned. The gap between them in here, that gap between there and there, is 5 millimeters approximately. The gap from the element to the 70 centimeter element is 12 millimeters here. It's a bit wider there, but it don't matter. 12 millimeters. The length of the radials here and there, they're 120 centimeters there and there. I don't think you need this coil here because it's a quarter wave is 50 ohm, and you're less likely to get anything back, but I'll put the coil in there, and that's 5 turns of the thinner 50 ohm coax, and round this former, which is about 1.25 inch diameter. Yeah, very successful on the SWR. However, I still haven't been able to contact the repeaters locally to me in Corby. I'm not sure they're even active. I've tried on the 2 metre band, 70 centimetre repeater, using the tone burst, and then I use the subaudible tone, which I think is 77. Nothing. Can't get in. I've tried Leicester from here, but I think it's too far. Next problem for me is to program the Peterborough repeater, because that's supposed to cover the area of Corby as well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.